In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT on Mac 2026 full guide. If you've been juggling design files, code editors, and research tabs, you know how much time disappears into window wrangling and copy paste cleanup. The desktop version of ChatGPT solves this by living natively in macOS, so it understands what you're working on and steps in where you need it. We'll install the official app, set a global launcher, connect it to your other apps with the macOS Accessibility Bridge, run context-aware prompts without copy-pasting, and finish by enabling hands-free voice mode. Start by installing the official macOS client. Open your browser and head to the official OpenAI desktop portal to download the disk image. In your Downloads folder, open the installer and drag the ChatGPT icon into Applications. Launch it from Applications so macOS registers it properly, then sign in using the standard secure flow. Once authenticated, your custom workspaces and settings sync automatically. If you're ever unsure you grab the right installer, check that the app is signed and updates from the official channel. Next, set up a global launcher so ChatGPT is always a keystroke away. From the menu bar, click ChatGPT, open Settings, and find Keyboard Shortcut. The default is Option plus Spacebar. If that clashes with your custom shortcuts or Spotlight, click the field and bind a new pattern you'll remember. The goal is simple. Summon the overlay without leaving your current window or breaking your flow. Now, enable Work with Apps so ChatGPT can read and, where supported, right inside your tools. In ChatGPT settings, open Work with Apps, choose Manage Apps, and toggle it on. macOS will prompt for permission. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Accessibility, and check ChatGPT. This securely grants the bridge that lets it understand active content in apps like VS Code, Warp Terminal, Xcode, Apple Notes, and Notion. You can revisit these permissions anytime. With permissions set, you can run context-aware prompts without copying text around. Open a relevant file or page in a supported app, then press your launcher shortcut. Look for the banner above the prompt. It shows which window ChatGPT is monitoring. Give a precise request, for example. Act as a systems reviewer, audit the current editor context, and return an optimized diff in a clean, copyable markdown block. Clear intent plus the live window context delivers stronger results, faster. Finally, enable advanced voice mode. In the desktop conversation view, tap the microphone icon and grant mic access. Speak naturally, interrupt when needed, and ask it to analyze what's on screen while you keep typing. It's perfect for reviewing logs, drafting copy, or talking through architecture decisions hands-free. That's it. With a native setup, mapped launcher, app permissions, context-aware prompts, and voice mode, you'll cut friction and stay focused on shipping great work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.